Have you ever seen a skyscraper that looks like a 19th century palace? In this video, we're exploring everything from the LEED certified sustainability to the royal dining halls. The ITC Royal Bengal is a towering 30-story modern monument in Kolkata that serves as an exquisite ode to Bengal's timeless architecture and design. If you love luxury travel and architecture, make sure to hit that subscribe button. From the moment you arrive, the scale of grandeur is breathtaking. This is where history meets the future. Spacious marble interiors are adorned with Art Nouveau door fittings and kolka patterns on marble counters, inspired by traditional Banarasi and Baluchari saris. The ITC One Room at the ITC Royal Bengal is the hotel's signature business-forward luxury suite. It is designed to offer a room within a room concept, providing a seamless blend of a high-end office and a plush sanctuary. These are exceptionally spacious rooms, approximately 600+ square feet, featuring floor-to-ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of the Kolkata wetlands or the city skyline. Stay tuned in this video for a tour of this grandeur property. Ta-da!